tongue. Alright, now let's see what we are going to eat today, ladies and gentlemen. Let's grab some salama. Yes, it must be chicken salama. Because if it's not chicken salama, it ain't no good. Now, let's continue. Yes. What else could I eat with salama other than... No, wait. Maybe that. No. Well, yes. Let's take it. We take the mayo. We take the mayo, and then it's probably it. We also took pavlaka. Let's get close. There we go. Now let's grab some bread. Let's get the bread, boys. We also need to take the spoon because we have the pavlaka. It's going to be much easier putting it on the bread. It's funny because bread, funny. There we go. I'm cutting salama. Yes. I'm cutting it into pieces. This is my last resort. Suffocation. Something else. This is my last. No. What? There's some. Doing your mom. 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 Yeah. Doing your mom. Yeah. Doing your mom. Yeah. What else is there? Some good song sets. Somebody wants to. But it's not me farting, it's the mayo. Also, if you're saying, what the fuck is this? Don't worry, it's gonna get better. Now. Now let's do this. What is this? A motherfucking bug in my motherfucking place, eh? No, he's alive, but we're gonna put him in the trash and he's gonna enjoy there. Probably gonna get out somehow, but you know, it's his choice. Anyway, let's get the spoon and then take the pavlaka. I can't see, my phone is in the way of seeing. There we go. Also, you might say, but this is not Cooking with Fancy Glasses Gamer. This sucks. I want the real Cooking with Fancy Glasses Gamer. Where's the funny cooking jokes and everything? Well, as you can see, my channel is going downhill, and I say fuck my channel. I'm gonna do what I want. I don't care anymore. I'm gonna make some TF2 content. I'm gonna make some TF2 content. I wanna make some payday content. I'm gonna do some payday content. I don't give a fuck anymore. So yeah. It's not like anybody's watching my videos. The only videos that get views are the ones that get shared. And those are the funny me ones. And I don't want to always be funny me ones. Sometimes I want to make gameplay. Sometimes I want to just chill videos, you know. There we go. Alright, now. As you can see, this is ready. Now let's just put... Whoops! There we go. Wait, is there anything sweet that I can eat or drink? Oh no, this is a chocolate, and I like chocolates. Chocolates is nice. Chocolate I give 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10 IGN. Let's just put the salami. Don't fall. There we go. Thank you, salami. There we go. Just like that, it's fucking done. Kill me.